Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to prepare these delicious green beans. And I am going to say something. I am not a veggie person, but this right here, oh, I can eat it all the time. And I pretty much do this with all my vegetables. Okay, so got my green beans, and these are actually already cleaned, so we don't have to do anything with this. So your ingredients are very simple. We have some onions, we have some bell peppers, I have lots of garlic, and we are going to do some slice of lemon. I have some crushed red pepper. I also have some bacon. This is going to really give these green beans a delicious taste. I have one lemon juice. I have some oil, black pepper, and salt. So come with me, guys. Let me show you how to prepare these delicious green beans. Okay, I have here my my pan. I'm going to put a little bit of oil, and I am going to cook my veggies first. So I'm going to be adding the onions and bell peppers, and of course the garlic. I'm going to add it at the end. Now this right here is perfect. This is what we want. I'm gonna go ahead and add the garlic. Just give it a few minutes, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and add everything else. The green beans. It really don't matter in what order. Just all of your ingredients. And the key here is to season to taste. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. And with the crushed red peppers, if you don't like the spiciness of the red pepper, well, don't add the red pepper because you already have some black pepper as well. But you know, we like it spicy around here. Now, my friends, look how beautiful and colorful this look. This is actually going to cook in a low temperature, my friends. The lowest. And I'm gonna cover this, and it's gonna cook for a good 5 minutes. The idea with these vegetables is you don't want them to be saggy. You still want to feel that crunchiness. And this right here is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this because I now have to add the best part, which is of course the bacon. It's just gonna give it that extra crunchiness. I am gonna be serving this green beans with some grilled chicken I have on the grill. You can serve this with steak, even fish. So delicious. This right here is the best part, the crunchiness of the bacon. Guys, I sure hope you have enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss out on video. Until next time, bye bye. Cheers.